Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a foundation review, and this is from Givenchy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and let's begin. This is called the Teint Couture Everwear. This is a fluid foundation, 24-hour wear, hydration, medium to full coverage, satin finish. So I'm really excited about this. This has 30 ml, which is 1 fluid ounce, and my shade is Y205, and this retail for $64 or $68 Canadian. I'll list it somewhere here. I hauled this one in my last video. I got it during the sale and I got 20% off, which is really nice. I think it's a little bit more on the dark side. I did have a tan when I got this shade, but we'll make it work with concealer and everything. So this is called the Teint Couture Everwear Foundation, and this is brand new. I already have another Givenchy foundation. This is the Radiant Matte Foundation, which has a more of a lighter coverage, buildable to medium, but this has medium to full, so I was really interested. It has a pump and it's really nice. I love the packaging. It has the Givenchy logo here. It's glass, and yeah, let's get into it. I already applied my skincare, and I applied my Lise Watier Base Miracle Radiance primer. This is really nice. It's a silicone based primer. I really like it. So we're really not using anything new underneath this foundation, so we can test out the foundation by itself. So I already know how this wears under my other foundations. That's why I'm wearing this today. I'm gonna take one pump of this foundation. I haven't even swatched it yet. So we're gonna take 2 pumps. Again, the pumps on these luxury foundations, they're really tiny. So this is 2 pumps. As you can see, it's not super runny, but it's not thick. So yeah, it's in the middle. It smells exactly like the Radiant Foundation by Givenchy. It's flowery, but it's very subtle. It's not strong as like Chanel or Dior products. Yeah, so it's a little bit more on the yellow side, which is okay. I'm gonna start with this side here. Not sure how much I'm gonna need. I'm gonna apply this side with a beauty blender. So this is one layer of this foundation. It is really pretty on the skin. Just gonna see here in the daylight here. It's really nice on the skin. It looks like skin, but better. As you can see, it evened out my skin. As you can see, this is the no foundation. This is the foundation side. I'm just gonna take whatever's left on my hand. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheek. I do love the coverage, to be honest. I really love those foundations that look like skin, but it gives you a little bit of coverage. You look flawless. But I'm so curious to see how this foundation works with a brush, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm going to take this brush here by It Cosmetics. I'm gonna take another 2 pumps again. Just gonna spread it on my face first. Okay. So I can see that it has more coverage on this side. It does have a beautiful glow to it. I'm just gonna take whatever's left and I'm gonna spread it all over my face. Okay, I'm really happy with this coverage, to be honest. I don't want to apply another layer or anything like that. I can still see my imperfections underneath this foundation, but it looks really natural on the skin. I really love the coverage. It does give you a flawless base, but it's not like full coverage, which I do love. It gives you a more of a natural dewy, not too dewy, but a healthy dewy look. So this is how it looks. So I have like a light over here on this side, and then this is the window with the window side. It's really pretty. Doesn't look heavy, doesn't look cakey. It feels so natural on the skin. I don't see it like settling into the lines yet. Yeah. It has a medium coverage, so almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm gonna wear it and come back at the end of the day, and I will show you how it looks. So I'm done with my makeup, guys, and everything went on so beautifully. Like, I didn't have any problems, and it looks so flawless still. It hasn't set into my lines or anything like that. It looks flawless still. I really love the way it looks. It took me 13 minutes to finish my face. I'll list everything down below for you guys. So I will come back and check with you guys at the end of the day. Hey guys, so I am back, and now it is 10:06 at night. So this is how it looks up close and personal, and this is after 9 hours of wear. It looks really good. It looks great. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Like, if I would touch anything right now, it would be just around my mouth area, and I would just take a beauty blender and just kind of dab the excess, but I don't see it settling into like deeply into the lines. It's just looking a bit shiny, and it just moved a bit, but it's not too crazy. You know, I was laughing and talking and eating and have any problems with it. I don't have any complaints. It looks really good in person as well. I hope it looks good on camera as well. The color is not really a perfect match for me, but that's okay. I think it's a good foundation. I do recommend this foundation, and I think it will suit so many skin types because it's not too dewy and it's not matte. It's just that perfect foundation finish. It has a beautiful finish to it, and it looks really good on skin. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more, and thanks so much for watching. See ya.